Okay, good day guys, welcome back. Now to those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So we would want to see where this GBPJPY will actually play out for the next day, which is for the 11th of January. So now let's start with this food trend, right? You can see that GBPJPY, it's actually ranging, right? I've highlighted some key levels here. This one is a level where price has been giving us a reaction. We also take seen this level here, right? Once price has also given us a reaction here, we actually had a rejection at this level, and again a reaction at this level, then a rejection at this level. If you also take a look at this movement here, all these levels here, we can see that price has once bounced at this level on GBPJPY. Anyway, let's see this movement on this GBPJPY. One thing I know for sure is that GBP to JPY, a good drop will play out soon. Reason why I'm saying that movement is that if you take a look at this to be, kind of like a drop, and we see this to be a pullback, right? We take a look at this to be a massive drop, and here comes a pullback. We can now take a look at this to be a new drop that broke this previous lows, and this will be seen as a pullback. Of course, GBP soon should actually give us that drop. It will only happen, or such movements will occur, if only we have a bullish move on this JPY index. But as at now, JPY index is dropping. That is to tell you that GBP to JPY, we should still speculate or expect more bullish move, right? So in order to be able to predict this price for the next day, we would go to the forward time frame. We can see the forward time frame. It is giving us higher highs and higher lows. So since it is giving us higher highs and higher lows, then we have no other option than to go ahead and go long on our GBP JPY. So what we should watch out for the next is actually to give us a bullish move. GBP to JPY should give us bullish move for the next day. So let's see if it will take out this candlestick wick here, which is a liquidity we are seeing here, which is a level of 162. That should be a will I say 150 pips, or no, I think that is 130 pips. So if this GBP JPY can give us that 130 pips that I'm just talking about, which means it will go bullish, then I believe this JPY index, if you go to the forward time frame, once it drops to this same level again, then to take out this level, right, then this GBP JPY will actually go bullish. Reason is that once this JPY is dropping, then definitely we would expect a bullish move on any currency we are trading to JPY. So GBP will actually go up, GBP to JPY go up. But once this price starts correcting itself and it's pushing up, that is when I believe this GBP to JPY will start dropping. But for the next day, which we are expecting, which is 11th, let's see this GBP JPY open and close bullish. So let's see if it will give us about 50 to 70 pips bullish move for the next day.